In case of 1-bit comparator, the comparator is accepting 1-bit inputs. Similarly, in the 2-bit comparator, the comparator is accepting 2 inputs and the size of 2 inputs is 2 bits. Now, if I will say that there are 2 variables, variable A and variable B are inputs. So, the size of these A and B variables are 2 bits. Means A will be either 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1 and B will be either 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Now when I will take the two variables and each of a 2-bit in a size, then the possible input combinations will be 2 raised to 4. That is a 16 possible input combination values we have to consider to find the truth table of 2-bit comparator. Now, when I will take the 2-bit comparator combinedly, then B0, B1, A0, A1. These are the 4 bits we are giving as an input to the 2-bit comparator. And the possible input combinations will be 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. So, total 16-bit combination values will be there. Now, we'll perform here the comparison operation. How the comparator is going to perform the comparison and giving the outputs A greater than B, A equal to B and A less than B. Now, while performing the comparison operation, the comparison starts from the MSB. Okay, so the magnitudes of the numbers are taken in consideration and then the comparison will be start. Now here in this case, A1 and B1. These are the MSB, most significant bits of the variables A and B. So first the MSB are going to be checked. If the MSB of one variable is greater than other variable, then that particular number is greater. Otherwise, if both the MSBs are equal, then the comparison is shifted to the right hand side. That is the next significant bits. If again next significant bits are equal, then the comparison will be again shifted to the right hand side. That is again next significant bits and so on. In this way, the comparison is going to be performed by the comparator. Now let's take the example. Suppose I have two numbers, that is variable A and variable B. A is having, let's say, 12 and B is having, let's say, 11. Now here in this case, when I want to perform the comparison, now forget about right now the binary representation. As I want to perform the 2-bit comparison, I have taken here the 2 digits simply for sake of a simplicity. Internally, when the numbers are represented in a binary, it will come in the 4-bit representation. To understand the concept of 2-bit comparison, how the comparison is going to be performed internally, I have taken these two numbers. Now, how the comparison is going to be performed? The most significant bits of the variable A and B are going to be compared first. Now in the 12 and 11, now the most significant digit here in this case is taken in consideration. Now A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. Both the numbers are same. But the number of digits are not completed. If both the numbers are same, then the comparison is shifted to the right hand side, that is to the next significant bits. Now here the 2 and 1 is compared. Now in a 2 and 1, which is a greater one? 2 is a greater one. So the output will be given as A greater than B. Clear? Now similarly, let's take, I have a number 1, 2, 3, 4 and let's say here 1, 2, 3 and let's say the 7. Now A is 1, 2, 3, 4, B is 1, 2, 3, 7. Now I want to perform the comparison operation. Now first MSB is going to be compared. Now both are equal. Now the comparison will be shifted to the next significant bit. Now 2 is a compared. Now again both the significant digits are equal. Now the comparison is shifted to the next significant digit. Now 3 is a compared in the third step, 3 with a 3. Now both the comparison significant digits are equal. Now the comparison is shifted to again to the next significant digits. Now the 4 is a compared with a 7. Now 4 is compared with a 7. Now 7 is a greater. So directly the output is a displayed, that is A is less than B, which is nothing but B is a greater than A. Clear? Got it? Now whatever the numbers are here, now that is not going to be take consider, as from significant bits the comparison is going to be performed by the comparator operation. Comparator. Clear? How the comparison is going to be performed by the comparator? Here I have taken a normal digits, decimal digits, simply for sake of understanding. Internally, all the comparison is onto the binary. If MSB of B1 is greater than MSB of A1, then directly B is greater than A, the output is generated as a 1. But if both are equal, then the comparison is shifted to the A0 and B0 comparison. Okay. Now here in this case, A1 and B1 both are 0, 0. Now when A1 and B1 is equal to are same, then at that time comparison is now shifted to the A0 and B0. Now here in this case, A0 is equal to B0. So both the A0, A1 and B0, B1 are same. So the output generated here, A equal to B, and A greater than B and A less than B is a 0, 0. Now the comparison for A1 and B1 for the next number. Now A1 is equal to B1. Comparison is shifted to the next bits. Now A0 is a 0, B0 is a 1. Now B is a greater. So the output generated as A is greater than B, and the remaining are 0, 0. Now similarly for the next number 0 and 1. Now MSB of A1 is 0, MSB of B1 is a 1. Now from the MSB it is clear that B is a greater than A. So directly B is a greater than A. This output is generated output as a 1 and remaining are 0. Now no need to shift to the right hand side part for a comparison. Now similarly for the next number, A1 is equal to 0, B1 is equal to 1. Now MSB of A1 is a 0 and MSB of B1 is a 1, and MSB of B1 is a B is a greater, so directly B is a greater than A, output is a 1, remaining as 0, 0. Now for the next number, A1 is 0, B1 is a 0, both are same, so comparison is shifted to the next numbers. Now A0 is a 1, B0 is a 0, so A is a greater than B, and A is greater than B, output will be 1 and remaining are 0. Now in this way the comparison operation is performed, and the now the outputs are 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1 sequentially. So we can use the M notation. So M0 to M15 are containing the output values. Now directly we can plot the outputs onto the K map. Now the output will be M0, M1, M2, M3 all are 0, 0. So the K map will look like this now. 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 1, 0, 0, 0. Then 1, 1, 0, 0, and then 1, 1, 1, 0. Now the K map for A greater than B look like this. Now we'll try for octets. Octet is not possible. Then we'll try for a chord. Yes, chord is possible here. Now I can make a chord for this group. Now similarly, we can try for the pairs. Now this will be my pair. This is my group number 1. This can be my pair. So this will be my group number 2. And for this one, now I can make a pair of this one with this one. This can be my group number 3. Now we'll identify the expression. Now for the group number 1, the values will be A1 and common vertically B1 bar. A1 horizontally the common value is A1 and vertically it is B1 bar, plus for the group number 2 the pair the common values are A0 and vertically B1 bar, B0 bar. Now for the group number 3, horizontally it is A0 bar A1 and vertically it is the common variable B0 bar. A1, A0 and B0 bar. Now this is the expression for A greater than B. Now similarly we'll plot the K-map for A equal to B. Now for A equal to B, the outputs are 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. Now after plotting A equal to B onto the K-map, now the K-map will look like this. This is 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. Now pairing is not possible, chords are not possible, octets are not possible, all are isolated one. Now we'll identify the expression for A equal to B. Now for A equal to B, the first one is A1 bar, A0 bar, then B0 bar, B1 bar plus A1 bar, A0, B1 bar, B0 plus A1, A0, B1, B0 plus A1, A0 bar and B1, B0 bar. Now we can rewrite the expression like this. Now I can take A1, A0 bar as a common. Now I can take A1 bar and B1 bar as a common. Now I am going to take A1 bar and B1 bar as a common from the first two expressions, and internally in the bracket it will left A0 bar, B0 bar plus A0, B0 plus. Now from the next two terms, now I can take outside A1 and B1. A1, B1 taking commonly outside. Now internally in a bracket it will left A0, B0 plus A0 bar, B0 bar. Now the expression I can rewrite like this. Now we know that A bar, B bar plus AB is nothing but a XNOR operation. So I can rewrite the expression now. A1 XNOR B1. And the second expression is A0 XNOR B0. Now this will be the expression for A equal to B. Now after finding expression of A equal to B, now we'll identify the expression for A less than B. Now by plotting A less than B outputs from the truth table on the K-map, now the K-map will look like this. 0, 1, 1, 1, then 0, 0, 1, 1, then 0, 0, 0, 1, then 0, 0, 0, 0. Now we'll identify the expression. Now we can make a chord here. This will be my chord, and we can make a pair. This one will be my second pair. This will be my third pair. There will be three groups. Group number 1, this may be group number 2, and this will be the group number 3. Now we'll identify the expression. Now for the group number 1, horizontally common variables are A1 bar. Vertically the common variables are B1 plus for the group number 2, horizontally it is A0 bar and vertically it is B0 B1 plus for a group number 3, horizontally it is A0 A1 bar and vertically it is the common variable B0, B1. A0 bar, it is a B0. Now we can write the expression A1 bar B1, then A0 bar B0 B1, then A0 bar B1, A1 bar and B0. This is the expression for A less than B. Now once we'll identify all the expressions for A less than B, A greater than B and A equal to B. Now our next task is realize the expressions by using the logic circuit. Now realize the expressions by using logic circuit. Now we can take the common inputs. Common inputs are B0, B1, A0, A1. We need the negations also, so we'll take the inverters. The common inputs are A0, A1, B1, B0. NOT gates will use to take the inversion. Now for A greater than B, just a minute. This is the logic circuit of 2-bit comparator.